My name is Chad Ferguson, and on behalf of the Step Up Committee, I want to welcome you to Stone Canyon and Step Up 2024. Big round of applause. Today is the largest Step Up in Convergint history.
2, 3, Convergent!
Step Up is an acronym for Secure, Train, Educate, and Protect.
Close to 400 Convergent employees and their families gathered at Stone Canyon Outdoor EdVentures with one goal in mind.
We have a slew of projects. We have technology projects. We have campus enhancement projects.
To make Stone Canyon the best possible place it can be for learning and fun.
We have 5,000 kids coming through our site every single year, and the site needs a little TLC, and sometimes we don't always have time for that because we're giving our love and our energy to our students. They're out here volunteering their time, their energy, their effort, and their sweat to spruce up the site. Everything from painting projects to security updates.
We're putting in a mass notification system that's really going to allow the entire campus, both staff, students, and any visitors, to be on the same page in the event of an emergency. We're upgrading the existing surveillance system, we're adding an intrusion system, and we're upgrading some old antiquated locks.
They're building a pergola and a lemonade stand for our upcoming summer camp season. They're redoing our archery shed, which we lovingly call the Caddy Shack.
Some much needed improvements for the program that continues to do so much for the students of Douglas County.
Stone Canyon is an extension of the learning environment for our students in their schools, in their classroom. Thousands of Douglas County School District students come to Stone Canyon on an annual basis to extend learning and experience learning in a very authentic sort of way.
These upgrades and renovations will leave a lasting impact on generations to come.
It's going to make such a huge difference in our day-to-day here at Stone Canyon.
Can't wait to see what the end of the day brings in the completion of all these projects, and most importantly, how that's going to positively impact our students and our community.